250 strands of lights, 100 individual bulbs per strand for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian quick.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Tonight I'm going to show you my 2018 Christmas light display. My calculations are right. I got about 2,500 lights on the house this year. Got a old blow mold Frosty the Snowman. All the lights you see are LED, so they use very little power. Saves me on my power bill. Got my little LED Christmas tree I made. Multicolor LEDs there. The smaller ones. If it's gonna pick up or not. The ones around my flower garden sidewalk, they are C9s, I believe. Either one's on an individual stake. All the ones on the roof, same size, just clear. Same thing along my neighbor's fence here. He's gonna have some up here later on. He doesn't mind me using this fence. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got projection light projecting the trees. Same thing, the one on the front of the house. I really like this projection light, how it goes up the tree into the limbs and leaves. You can tell this side's a little more uniform. I got a different style clip. But next year they'll all be the same. Get rid of the sagging lights that you can see here. They kind of droop down a little bit. Been fighting with those for a couple weeks. But that's going to be it for now. Next year I'll probably have triple the lights, believe it or not. I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you next time.
Chris, you're not doing anything constructive. Run into the living room, get my stove.